Hey guys, Simply Coley here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing slash try on of Dollskill. And how this happened was I don't know, I just was Black Friday shopping, or was it Cyber Monday shopping? It was Cyber Monday shopping. I was Cyber Monday shopping. And I don't really know how I ended up on this website, to be honest. Oh, I know how. I wanted some shoes, okay? I wanted some cool shoes that I thought were cool. Because I'm an old person and I'm trying to go back in time to the days where I was young and could have dressed any way I wanted to, but didn't because I didn't have any confidence. So I'm just gonna dress like an idiot now. Awesome. Okay, so here's the box. It's a big one. Hold on. Give me a second. Ugh. Dollskill. Can you see it? It's gigantic. Okay? It's gigantic. Oh crap. I dropped the box. So we're just gonna go through everything, try it on, and I mean, it's a try on video. If you guys appreciate this new laid back attitude, give me a thumbs up. You Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? What you like? I like both, but I prefer Starbucks, but actually I like Dunkin' Donuts lattes more. I don't know why I did that, but I don't know why. Not a scientist. Feeling chill today, so let's get into it, shall we? Okay, this box is full of stuff. Oh my god, what did I get? What did I order? I really just hope everything fits. I am so freaking afraid of everything not fitting. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so afraid because I've lost some weight recently, so I'm kind of like don't know exactly what my size is. So I'm kind of freaking out that everything is gonna like not fit me. Okay, let's hope together. Me and the one person watching this. I would never be able to afford Dollskill. It's kind of an expensive place, but you know, it was all on sale, okay? It was on clearance. My excuse. Spent all my money. Ah, my hair stuck. The first thing we have are a pair of, I had to get these, okay? If you're old like me, then you know about Rocco's Modern Life, okay? I had to get them. It's Rocco. Oh my god, I love it. They're socks. I bought socks. You know, at Christmas, people are like, you're always getting mad that people buy you socks, but I actually wanted and bought myself socks because it's Rocco, okay? Anyone remember that Shining episode? It's one of my favorite episodes. Oh, and I still sing the Recycle song. I sing it to my children. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? R-E-C-Y-C-L-E, recycle. Wait. C-O-N-S-E-R-V-E, conserve. Wait, is it preserve or conserve? Don't you P-O-L-L-U-T-E pollute the river, sky, or sea, or else you're gonna get what you deserve. Next is a shirt, I think. I think it's a shirt. I got a lot of shirts. I pretty much got mostly shirts because pants I was afraid. I was definitely afraid of pants. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this is like and I got crop tops, okay, because my pants are super high-waisted, so I'll reach the top of the pants anyway. So this is a cute crop-topped long-sleeved shirt. I just thought it was adorable, and I like the neckline on it. I think it's really cute, and I hope this fits me. Okay, so that's the first thing. I really like the ribbedness of it, and it's actually the front is lined. It's kind of nice. That way, hopefully you can't see my bra through it, because of its ribbed, it's kind of see-through. But I hope that fits. Next, we have another shirt. This is a very soft shirt. Ooh, it's very soft. Another crop top with buttons. Oh my, this might be revealing. It is small. Okay. I mean, it looks like it'll fit, but I'm just, you know, I'm concerned. Wait, did I get two of these? Is this the same shirt? What did I do? Did I buy two? Why did I do that? No, it's slightly different. It's slightly different. Wait, what is this? Wait, it's very different. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a dress. Oh my god, I thought this was a shirt. Is that gonna fit me? No, that's tiny. How stretchy is this? Oh my god. I feel like those shirts will fit me, but I am very concerned for the stability of this dress, and I thought it would be bigger. Why did I think that? Is this inside out? No. What was I thinking? I'm too old for this. Oh well, it'll be fine. I'm not concerned. It's a date night, right? You can wear it to a date night, right? You can have a date. Okay. And this also because I am, you know, an actual product of this time and age. Actually, okay. Ah! Crop top sweater, right? It's the Delia's. This is the only one that was not on clearance that I bought because I really wanted it. Because it's got the rainbow and it's Delia's and it's a long sleeved sweatshirt. So that's the only one that I didn't buy that actually was not in the clearance section. And then I got a costume. Of course, I got a costume. It's an Ariel costume. It's very similar to the one that I had that I wore for DragonCon, but the shirt that I had made for my Ariel costume was like just falling apart because I had like made it from the computer and like ironed it onto the shirt, which I really liked. It was really cute, but the ironing thing was just not good. I guess my iron sucks, so like it didn't stick on, so now I've got like half a seashell, so it looks like crap. So I got this because this was like $10, which is how much I would pay. I would pay twice that amount for a shirt like that. So I have 2 pairs of leggings now. And I got sunglasses. But that's how much I would have paid for the shirt. So that's why I bought it. I have been dying to get like a sweater with holes in it. Why? I don't know. I just have. Like, I'm too old for this shit, but I can't help myself. I want to be young. Does anyone else want to be young again? Who wants to be young with me? Let's just be young together. It's kind of weird. But this is like a sweater. It's cute. Really like fancy tag, right? I like the fake holes though. I mean, they're obviously fake. They're in a pattern. But I like it. This one I am concerned about because I think, is this 2 pieces or 1 piece? I had a bunch of stuff in my cart, but like I couldn't decide what to get. So like I bought, like I would take stuff out and put stuff in and take stuff out, and then things were selling out and I was freaking out and I was like, I have to buy it. That got me. Okay, so this is 1 piece. It's like a romper, 1 piece. I don't know. It's got an open back, which I thought was really cute. I am concerned because of my hips sort of situation. The top I'm sure will be small enough. I mean, large enough because I have a very tiny chest. But because of the top, I think I ordered a small, so I'm concerned about the hippage, really. Okay, so next is a tiny top. Again, why did I buy so many crop tops? I don't know. Anyway, cute. Hopefully it fits. This is a theme. I just hope everything fits. I'm very excited about this. Oh wait, I did not know. Wait, was that open? No. Okay. I was a little scared for a second because I thought that these were open in the back, and I was like, wait, that's not a sweater. Okay, so this is the sweater. It's really cute. It's got like holes and stuff in it, but like strategic holes. And I don't know, I thought it was really cute. I just really liked it. I like the color mostly. I've got another Halloween thing, but I think I can wear it anytime because it's kind of cute. It's a hoodie that says, I'm a cat, duh. Ooh, it's really soft. And it's got cat ears on the top. And they had a couple that were kind of similar to this, but I went with the cat one because I thought I could wear the cat one like all year. But probably not, I don't know. But I thought it was cute. Got these, they're like over the knee socks because I have an Alice, just bask in my nerdiness. I have an Alice in Wonderland steampunk costume that I wore to DragonCon, and I thought these socks would be perfect for it because it has like little clocks. Plus they were like $3, so. And that I was shopping at Dollskill was to find a cool pair of shoes, and I got these holographic sneakers. I hope that they fit because like I don't know what my shoe size is realistically. I so rarely buy shoes that it's tragic, but I just thought they were cute because they're holographic, and I know I'm too old, but they're cute. So let's try it. Let's just hope. Shall we hope together? All right. So that is everything in my Dollskill unboxing try on from Cyber Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.